Electric mobility means silence. But we have to emit sound so that people can hear the cars coming. You know, we all have grown up with engine sounds from our childhood.
An e-car sound has to be so special that we can recognize it is an e-car. No one looked back to the former trains and was expecting that, for instance, ICE have the same sound as a train from earlier times.
There's a big responsibility for us to create something that gives people that live close to streets more harmony, more silence and more safety, because you need to hear them. That's the mystery of design. You have to create something that has never been there before. That's our art.